Winter Forest is the title of a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory. This is really a unique collection. Let me show you. We're going to start with the luxury topper kit, and according to the instructions, it makes at least 16 cards, but I know you, and I know you can make lots more. Inside there is an idea sheet showing you lots of projects, also shows you some other things that are available, but of course we have them all. Now what you'll see is the die cut foiled pieces, and they all have a very wintry forest look. There are 100 foiled die cuts. Now there's 2 of everything I'm showing you, so 2 of this, and then as you know there's going to be a matching adorable scorable cardstock that is foiled and another one that is printed. So there is that deer again. Now this sheet has the wolves and fox, so that's just really nice. And again, we have the foiled and we have the printed. And here is the next. This really caught my attention, so I think it's just really pretty. It's called Festive Enchantment up here on the corner, and you can see the stocking as well as the woman and all of the snowflakes. And then, as always, the foiled piece of cardstock and the printed piece of cardstock. What's nice about these is you can use the pieces, and that works really well if you don't want to use this as your card blank. Here is the last one. Now again, you get 2 of everything. So this has owls on it. And look at this foil piece. Wow, gorgeous. You could use this with anything. And then we have this as a printed. So in total, there are 100 foiled die cuts. There are 8 foiled adorable scorable cardstocks, and there are 8 printed cardstocks. So all of that plus the idea sheet. So that gets us started. Now what we're going to add to this are the inserts. Now the inserts, this is a big package this time. The inserts are the same artwork you've seen but ghosted back and printed on a lighter weight paper. There are 12 designs, and you're going to get 4 of every single one for a total of 48 pieces. So there's that wolf, there's the stocking, you can see the fox, hopefully you can see the fox. There is the owl and the snowy scene and the rabbit. So all of it really goes to the title of it with Winter Forest. And then we have some that are overall printed, so you can see these options, which are going to be useful for really any way you want to use them. Okay, so that's the 12. You're going to get 4 of each one. But I'm not done. There is also an 8x8 paper pack, and I think this is really nice. Now there are 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. So let me show you what those designs are. Get these things out of the way so you can really focus on this. These are singles. Oh no, they're double-sided. I stand corrected. And so let me show you. There's one. Here is another. Again, it's the same artwork, although some of it is in addition to what you get in the kit. And these are a nice weight of paper. And like I said, you're going to get 4 copies of each one. There's the woman, that snowy scene, the owl, our little fox, and we have a snowy butterfly scene, and we have the owl. So these are padded at the top, and again, they're 8x8. I'm not done. There are also some foiled acetate, and I have to say this is one of my favorites. They are foiled, and they're going to have that shiny look. Now with these, you are going to get 4 of each one. So 4 of this. I'm going to scoot it aside so you really get a look at each one. You have that meadow going on, then we have the night scene with that moon, and then we have a forest. So all of those 4 of each. The last thing that's in the collection is, I'm sure you would expect this, the adorable scorable. Now in this collection there are 30 sheets, 10 colors, you get 3 of each. So let me show you the 10 colors. Here we go. And I'm just going to fan these out because they're all the cardstock, and it's a heavy weight. And let's see, 4, 5, come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's almost 10. There are 10. If I didn't get all of them, take my word. There's 10, you're going to get 3 of each, so that's a total of 30. And as you can tell, all of these colors are going to blend quite nicely. So 30 sheets there. You're going to get the 16 sheets of the foiled acetate, gorgeous. You get the 8x8 Winter Forest pad. You get the Winter Forest inserts. And, of course, the Winter Forest Luxury Topper Collection. All of this from our friends at Hunkydory.